Tariki ni mugwanja naguo mweri wa June mwaka wa 2023 muthenya uria President William Ruto hamwe na ngwataniro ya Kenya Kwanza makirokire gutafania mahoya ma mwanya kuria mukawa-ini wa Safari Park itemini ria kuuga ati mwaka riu bururi unyitane niguo uthie na mbere hatakire nganja iriho ni muhoko wakwa ati muthenya waku ni ragutwarithia wega na ni ndagiuka niguo ngumenyithie maria mari ku thiini ria iriko ya mohoro hatakire nganja iriho na gitio kinene ri kitombe tomukire mamwe ma maria tukuhaririirie na makiria ithaini riri. Mamwe mamaria tukuhaririirie ni ati nyumba ya icirero gutafania mahoya ma gibururi ma kugacirithia urumwe guku atongoria kuma mwaho wa mung'ethaniro making'athia gwikinyia mucemanio-ini uyu.
Wakasema ameripiwa, wakanipea dawa nikakuja naye nikampea, lakini alikuwa anakunywa siku mbili, siku ya tatu akakataa, akasema mimi nimepona.
Mutumia umwe wa Ndigwana uria utari na meciria makinyaniru gukua ni thutha wake kunyitwo kia hinya ni andu matoikaine gicagi-ini gia Simiti County-ini ya Githii.
Is it possible to come up with a timeline in which an insurance company should compensate?
When a company is placed under statutory management, even if it has enough assets,
ruhonge rwa marihi mwa thutha-ini rwa PCF gutaraandikia mohoro. Atire nganja iriho ati mutaburuko uyu mahinda mothe ukoragwo gikinyanirio na njira ya imwe kwa imwe ni live transmission niguo kiuga ati turamemerekia na njira ya imwe kwa imwe kuma kumushi munene wa Kenya Nairobi na makiria muna wa Amboseli Gardens niguo kwira atia no ukorokenia na ithu kure muna wa Facebook ni @muthingi TV, kure muna wa YouTube ni @muthingi TV. Wona watotigira ndomiri yaku nguhi ku nitugukorwo tukimiamukira mucio witu tacothe tuwitaga wa kihumo gia gutherema niguo kwira ati guku ni kwa Muthingi TV na mahinda mothe tungicemania nawe ujite Kariuki wa Nduati atire nganja iriho nigukorwo gitika turike mohoro-ini maitu. President William Ruto hamwe na utongoria wothe wa thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza matongoretio ni abunge na makiria kuma nyumba-ini iciriro umuthi ni matafanirie mahoya ma 20 makoera kana mahoya ma gibururi na maria matafanirio mukawa-ini wa Safari Park mucini munene wa Kenya Nairobi. Ihoya riri kana ritana riri riraikitio muthenya wa ira ni mutongoria wa ringi nyumba-ini ya iciriro ni Anthony Kimanishong'o na noe mubunge wa gicigo kia ubunge gia Kikuyu. Gukiri uguo atongoria kuma mwaho wa Kenya Kwanza matinekinyia mahoya-ini maya ta uria meratanyitwo uku President William Ruto akigana githi na mbere na kuga ati marita thirikari ni megutigirira ni makinyaniria maundu maya kuna ati mamwe ma maria matumaga bururi uthi na mbere. Gukiri uguo atongoria kiheri ari hamwe na munini wake Rigathi wa Gachagua maro hamwe na nyabara wa Dudia Minister Wycliffe Musalia Mudavadi gatagati ka atongoria giaigi nio manyitanire na ajumbe ya gutigirira ati ni makinyaniria kioneki giki.
Together with our neighbors and friends from far and near, to think together, to share, and to pray together. I want to congratulate Parliament for making it certain that we will not be looking for a date going into the future. It's now confirmed that it is the last Thursday of May every year. So all of us will put it in our calendar. I think it is partly informed by the fact that this prayer breakfast has to be shifted from last week, and I think it happened again before. So we will all diarize the same way we have elections every Tuesday of the fifth year, of every Tuesday, the first Tuesday of August, or is it? Second Tuesday of August, we will now know when our prayer breakfast will be. It is very interesting that the theme of this prayer breakfast is reconciliation. I remember the last prayer breakfast here was again around the same. I remember in that prayer breakfast asking for forgiveness from my friend, the former president. And it is interesting that today we are again discussing in our first prayer breakfast the subject of forgiveness and reconciliation. Let me say that I am truly grateful to God that in this, our first prayer breakfast, we have come together as a nation. And it is perfectly in order for us to celebrate where we are today as a country. Let me first congratulate all elected leaders who are here on this first prayer breakfast. Congratulations to all of you who have been given the opportunity to serve the people of Kenya. All of us, from our MCAs to our members of parliament, to our governors, and all of us in between. We want to thank God.
Haya, mushimoni ucio utafanirio rushini ro muthenya wa umuthe kuri mukawa-ini wa Safari Park na kuri gukinyetio toguda gutariria ni atongoria matiganite na makiria abunge kuma nyumba-ini ya iciriro matongoretio ni mutongoria wa rege bunge-ini ya gibururi Anthony Kimani wa Icung'wa gwata President William Ruto hamwe na munini wake na atongoria kiheria ria megukinyitanire mahoya mahamwe. Riu tume hau tuthi na mbere ni ati munini wa governor county-ini ya Siaya na ule wikaine ta William Oduor ni agomirwo ni thitango itiganite na makiria cio uhuthiri moru wa wabici na kihina kia gikoragwo kirekereirio kuri wabici yake. Ukiri uguo kugerera mawakiri wake ni athiete na mbere na kuregana na thitango icio akiuga ati kana mawakiri yake magithi na mbere na kumutetera regia ya makobe maria mathiete na mbere na kugumira utongoria gatagati ka governor wa county ya Siaya James Orengo oramwe na munini wake niwe wikaine ta William Oduor. Gukiri uguo Oduor ni ataririe cikaro cigano na iria ekorete haceke kana hatikaine kuna ati nginya ni akoretwo akihingiririo nja wa micemano iria tabanagio ya county iria itongoragio ni governor wa county iyo na uria kana na governor wa county iyo James Orengo.
I don't know what custom made round table finished in 2-pack 254,800. Executive high back orthopedic desk chair in leather, 287,000. 7-seater customer made executive carved, not very visible, 910,000. Executive orthopedic dark chair and seat full spring, 1,120,000. 6 meters conference table, 1,051,000. Executive visitors chair back and seat full spring, 84,000. Grooved coffee table, 211,400,000. 2 lawyers executive custom made chairs, 161,000.
When we are dealing with a supplementary budget, we don't introduce new projects. Supplementary remains supplementary, and therefore when you hear that there are projects proposed, supplementary is just for unforeseen arising budget issues, and therefore it is obvious that when you introduce a completely new projects in the budget, it might suffer the same. But I
indicate some areas where I feel that as a civil servant, as an employee in the county government here, I've been bullied, intimidated, and humiliated. Chair, in relation to this matter, from the outset, from the word go, when these matters started, you can remember that the Assembly requested a DG to give evidence of these allegations on misappropriation of funds in the county executive.
Haya, hatirega jire ho tugakihoka ati uthuthuria baraginya ni ukoro gitafanio kuona ati gurutano gatagati ka governor wa county na munini wake ni ithiete na mbere na gwakiriria kuona ati nginya athuri kuma gicigo kiu ni mageretie kuingirira horo uyu tuthina mbere ni ati mutumia umwe wa ndigwa na uria utari na meciria makinyaniru na uria ari gukuru wa miaka 53 riu ni arikitie gukuana ni thutha wake kwerekana ati ni ahamitwo kimwiri ni andu matoikaine gicagi-ini gia Simiti guku ni kaunti-ini ya Githii kwerekana ati mutumia uyu ombire nyumba gwake guthie thoko ndukwi muhituku no indi acokana no indi riria twire gucoka acokire ate kwimenya gukiri uguo Maafitha borithi ni morĩtio metikire gũtabania ũthuthuria baranginyo itemi-inĩ rĩa kũmenya nĩkĩ kĩarĩre kĩrĩa kĩngĩ kuona atĩ hĩndĩ ĩrĩa mũtumia ũyũ acokire nĩ arĩ na mũrimũ wa pneumonia no ĩndĩ ndanakorwo akĩhũrana na mũrimũ ũcio na njĩra ĩrĩa yagĩrĩire kuona atĩ rĩu nĩ arakuire. Maafitha borithi kuma gĩcigo kĩu nĩ matongoretio nĩ county commander na ũrĩa wĩkĩne ta Charles Kasese nĩ matarĩirie atĩ nĩ mambĩkĩte ũthuthuria wa kũmenya nĩkĩ kĩrarĩre kĩrĩa kĩngĩ na nĩkĩ kĩracũngĩrĩirie mũtumia ũyũ gũkorwo akĩhamwo kĩmwĩrĩ na thutha-inĩ ũcio gũkorwo akĩũragwo na ngero ya kĩũnyamũ ta ĩyo.
Na watoto sio sawa, wako na disability. Sasa tunaomba serikali mweza kutusaidia na watoto kama familia. Sisi wenyewe hatutaweza kuwalea, mtusaidie ili hao watoto wakae mikono yetu na nao wajisikie kama wako nyumbani.
Alikuwa anatembea na watoto wake, lakini alikuwa sana mara nyingi alikuwa anakuja usiku. Kama anatoka Nyanguzu, anatoka usiku sana. Kitu kama saa 4 hivi ndiko anatembea kwa barabara tu. Na sana hapendi kupanda gari. Mguu wake ndio gari. Sasa ndio hao the goons hao wote tukoita goons hao wakampata hapo njiani wakamdefile wakachukua advantage. Omba serikali aza chief wenero hili la Nyacheki location awachukulie hatua angarau ili wananchi watulie wakae vizuri.
Atirega njĩra hoyo nĩ riboti ya kĩhang'ano tũgakĩhoka ũthuthuria baranginyo nĩ gũkorwo gĩtabanio itemi-inĩ rĩa kũmenya nĩkĩ kĩrarĩa kĩrĩa kĩngĩ. Thikĩrĩria riboti haha. Riboti ya ũthuthuria wa gĩkuũ kĩa mwĩkũĩrwo ũrĩa ũrĩũĩkaine ta Oliver Ochieng na ũrĩa wakuĩrĩire njĩra-inĩ ya Eldoret yonanĩtie atĩ Oliver Ochieng akuire kumana na we gũkorwo akĩaga rĩera. Gũkĩrĩ ũguo ihoto itiganĩte kana gũkĩrĩ ũguo ikundi itiganĩte cia kũrũĩra ihoto cia ũmũndũ citigĩtwo na ciũria nyingĩ gũkĩra macokio gũkũ makiuga atĩ no mũhaka ũrũgamĩrĩri wa njĩra ĩno ũkorwo gĩtarĩria nĩkĩ kĩarĩire kĩrĩa kĩngĩ kuona kwa nginyanagia gĩkuũ kĩa mũirĩtu ũyũ na ũrĩa wĩkaine ta Oliver Ochieng.
Nilikuja Eldoret jana wakati niliitwa kijana yangu amepigwa na akakufa. So wakati nilikuja nikaenda kwa GK prison wa Eldoret. Pale wakubwa huko akaniambia huyo kijana alikuwa anajigongeza. Alikuwa anajigongeza kila mahali ndio sababu alikufa. So leo tulifanya postmortem na ile kitu tumeona ni defense marks kwa hapa kama alikuwa ana defend himself. Iko na scratches kila mahali na tumemwambiwa pia ni alikosa oxygen na damu. So we don't know mali walikuwa wanatoa maneno ya kujigonga ilitoka.
Oliver alinipigia simu on date 29th, alikuwa kotini, akaniambia amepewa date ingine date 12th. Hiyo ndio atatoka koza amekuwa akienda kotini, anaenda kotini, hakuna witnesses, hakuna anything, so alikuwa anaenda hiyo siku ndio achiliwe. No, akaniambia uko ndani kuna afadi anamtishia, anamwambia ati atatoka kwa hiyo gate akiwa maiti. Mi nikamuuliza tunaweza kusaidiaje, tunaweza jua vyenye tutaandika barua upigwe transfer juni rights zako utoke hiyo prison upelekwe prison nyingine. Akaniambia haina haja juu anatoka next week.
Want katika prison, all prisons in Kenya wawekwe CCTV. CCTV iwe in every prison in this country, mpaka police station. ndio tujue what events are happening. This is a community ambaye ni secretive, you don't know what they are doing pale ndani. Number 2 ni IPOA. Wapewe hiyo mandate ifike prison. Wanakava watu wa prisons mpaka KWS na watu wa county government. And for
postmortem, we have established clearly that there were defense marks. This man was being tortured at the time near his death.
Haya, tukithina mbere nake commissioner wa county ya Nakuru no rĩũĩkaine ta Loyford Kefara nĩ arĩkĩtie kũria mũingĩ wĩtĩkĩre kũnyitanĩra na honge itiganĩte cia ũgitĩri itemi-inĩ rĩa gũkorwo makĩhukia ngero cia wiki na iria ikoretwo igĩthiĩ na mbere matũũra-inĩ ma Ronda oro hamwe na Kaptembwa. Gũkĩrĩ ũguo kana matharĩka ma mahinda kwa mahinda rĩu macũngĩrĩirie andũ atatũ gũkorwo makĩũrwo nĩ mĩĩrĩ yao. Nake mũrũgamĩrĩri wa county akĩaria na andĩki a mohoro makiuga atĩ nĩ marĩkĩtie gũikia ngono ekwĩrwo na arĩa makĩria ya 300 arĩa matanyĩtwo gũkinyio mbaũ-inĩ itemi-inĩ rĩa gũkorwo magĩcokia ciũria. Rĩtana rĩake rĩu nĩ kũrĩkaria mwena ũcio metĩkĩre kũnyitanĩra na maabithaa mũhohio nĩguo gũtigĩrĩra atĩ nĩ mahukia ũndũ ũyũ na ũrĩa ũthiĩte na mbere na kuonekana arĩ ta kĩronda kĩnene na makĩria county-inĩ ya Nakuru.
You said you're doing a cleanup from Nakuru town. It is just Nakuru town.
My name is Loyford Kefara, the county commissioner Nakuru. Over a period of like one month, we have had an upsurge of illegal gangs in this town. They are hovering around with knives, snatching bags from women. Yani wanapola kila mtu, ukiwa unalisist wana kudunga na kisu. Now this one cannot be tolerated. Some of our officers, whether in Ngao or the National Police, are abetting this crime. Or rather, they are colluding with these criminal gangs. Now, over the period of the same, like 3 weeks, I've already arrested 302 criminal fellows or suspects who are in those groups confirmed, Mongiki. I've taken measures, and one of the measures that we discussed last evening and concluded on was we are posting a new OCS in Roda. We are also pursuing to have a change of the police officers in that area. I've also heard that a number of them have stayed there for long. So we might be fighting these criminals, yet we are reversing. Sababu, most of us have stayed with them, they know one another. I'm putting a mechanism or a structure to revitalize all the nyumba kumi clusters in that area.
Mimi naitwa Zachary Kimani, County Police Commander wa Nakuru. Ninaomba wananchi watulie na waendelee na kazi zao wakijua tumechukua hiyo jukumu kuhakikisha kuna amani. Kama kuna watu wao vijana watu wana criminal gang wanasikia kwa hii media, tafadhali mimi nawaambia either wawachane na hiyo maneno ama wahame kwa hii county ya Nakuru.
Haya, tukithirwo na mbere ni ati niguo uthuthuria uria wiriga gucia kana uthuthuria wa mwaki uria wiriga gucina magana ma eka cia macani kaunti-ini cia Kericho na Bomet no rathie na mbere na kuria governor wa kaunti ya Kericho Eric Mutero hamwe na Senator Hilary Sigei bareketie gwikinyia mbere ya honge itiganĩtie cia uthuthuria niguo gukorwo magitarĩria maundu matiganĩte. Gũkĩrĩ ũguo abunge atiganĩkana abunge matiganĩte kuma gĩcigo-inĩ kĩu nĩ mathiĩte na mbere na gwĩkũĩrwo na gũkorwo nĩ manyitire itemi njama-inĩ ĩno. Gũkũ nake minista wa ũgitĩri wa thĩinĩ Professor Kithure Kindiki agĩthiĩ na mbere na gwĩkĩria mũkana kana kũruta mũkana kũrĩ atongoria arĩa mangĩkorwo nĩ manyitire itemi gũtigĩrĩra atĩ ngero ta ĩno nĩ yakorwo ĩkĩonekana.
They haven't given us an hint on whether they would like us, but as you see, it's been a long stay. It's been a very long stay there. But then they have indicated that if they need us, they are going to do an inquiry. It's an inquiry, and if they would need us, they will call us. And we have said we are ready anytime if they need us to come, because we must also live as a civilized and a sober society, and that is our commitment.
Haya, atakiriga jiri ho murero Muthingi TV ni tuthiete wega na gitio kinene riu jetikiria tombe tukiria guda ikombe kia mai na tukihuduka niturahuduka na riboti makiria koguo tugetikire guthira mitambo guku ni ku Muthingi TV tugikiugaga ni kihumo gia guthere matombe tukirie no ide niturahuduka na riboti makiria.
AM Lookup Media ariyo kambuni nyene station ya Muthingi TV hamwe na Lookup TV nitura kurehera mwogo wa Mount Kenya Region Roadshow kururira kalenda yaku ni amukuma tariki 26 mweri wa gatandatu kinya tariki 1 mweri wa mugwanja tugakurehera mwogo yo matura-ini ma county cia Kiambu, Murang'a, Kirinyaga, Embu, Meru, Laikipia, Nyeri, Nyandarua na Naikuru. Muthafano yo duroka moko matheri ni mwago na ikeno mama ugitungana na nguthi cia mikwekwe na mithago ya ngerekano ta njoro wa ukulima ni mali marafiki hamwe na ngiaingi. Ningi ni tugakorwo na live performances na ni ukagia na mweke wa gucemania na memerekia aku wendete a session ici cieri. Wiharirie kuigua mururumo uyu na mwago mwaki nyitanira na ithuĩ thabarĩ-inĩ ya itonga cia bũrũri wa Mũgĩkũyũ. Muthingi TV turi njira tugioka o itũra-inĩ rĩaku. Aranĩria na ithuĩ kũhĩtũkĩra sales@lookuptv.co.ke kana ũhũre namba 0110 430 158.
Haya, mwiriro Muthingi TV ni twacokereria na gitio kinene ngithi na mbere no kumenyithia maria mari ku thiini ria riku ya mohoro munini wa mutumia wa kana munini kana mutumia wa munini wa president gucuke muhirano uria wikaine ta Pastor Dorcas Rigathi wa Gachagua nithite na mbere na kuhujia kampeni yake ya gutigirira ati mwana wa kahini akorwo kumana na njohi kana kumana na minyororo ya njohi cia kurevia hamwe na dawa cia ibango akiaria ri kaunti ya Bungoma ni atariria ati ni gutigirira ati undu uyu ni wagia na umithio guko ritana na rindikithia riake rikinyitwo mbaru ni governor wa kaunti ya Bungoma Ken Lusaka gukiri uguo mutumia wa munene kana Pastor Dorcas ni onekanite guthina mbere na kampeni ino ya gutigirira ati mwana wa kahini akorwo kuma uhuthiri muru wa dawa cia kurevia guothe bururi-ini gitaro kia Mount Kenya gikirikana gukorwo ari kiugithiite na mbere na kuhatirika na njira nene munini wake munini wa president Rigathi wa Gachagua ni athite na mbere na gutariria ati bara ino ndegutigithiria nginya hindi iria igutigirira ni agia na maciaro.
So we must have a male conversation. We cannot and we must not leave that male conversation. That is why we are saying we must not listen to foreign agendas and philosophies. We have our own as Africans. We have our culture and we must maintain it for propagation and not to destroy the future generations. For how can it be that you expect a boy to respect women when we bring them up to disrespect women? And as mothers, because this one I call on the mothers, we must rise up in bringing up our boy children. Let them have emotions. Teach them how to speak the problems out. Because right now, we are losing too many.
The boy child needs to be rescued. He lived a life of self.
Haya, tuthiete wega na tugithi na mbere ni ati nake gavana wa kaunti ya Cecily Mbarile ni athiete na mbere na kurutira mukana andu aria na makiria bodi iria ihetwo ritana ria gutigirira ati ni magayania kigina kia basari na utauria mathiririo guko akiuga ati matigucoka kuhena basari icio na njira ya kiurata kana na njira ya kimenyano. Akiaria hindi ya kurekereria kigina kia basari kana kia basari kuri arutwo aria matanyitwo gukorwo makiingira mathukuru-ini ma colleges oro hamwe na university gwata TVET ni atariria ati mamuhaka arutwo othe makorwo makiamukira kigina ta uria mathirirwo. Gukiri uguo yarikitie kurekereria muigana wa ciringi milioni 100 mbeca iria itanyitwo gukurikio kuna arutwo aria mumikite kana aria mumite family-ini iria itehotete agithi na mbere na kuga thirikari yake ni gutigirira ni ahura njeki githomo na njira iria yagiriire.
Hapa kuzidua rasmi our bursary online registration process or program ambayo tutakuwa tunatumia digitally kuweza kuapply for bursary za watoto wetu, na pia tutakuwa tunaanzisha hiyo kazi kutoka kesho kwa wiki mbili ndio tutapatia wanafunzi wa secondary school na VTCs kwa sasa. Za waanze tutaweza kutuma links za mahali utaweza kuapply. Tunataka kwenda digital ndio tuweze kuweka data za kila mtoto katika county aweze kusaidika 5 million per ward, lakini tunatarajia kwamba mwaka ujao wa pesa tutaweza kuongeza hiyo fedha tuweze kupatiana kiwango ya juu kidogo.
Usikuje umevaa kofia ya governor na mwingine afae kofia ya MCA, mutakuwa mumefanya makosa.
Msikajipende katika hizo committee. When that committee ujueni kama mzazi unakura ukiwa wa mwisho. Don't fill that form to benefit your sisters, son, daughter or even yourself. Start from that very vulnerable mtoto ambaye kwa kona fulani katika wadi yako.
Haya, tukithina mbere ni ati no aikari matanyihire 880 kumanagia kaunti-ini ya Isiolo ni magunikite na uteithio wa irio na makiria irio cia mahiũ ro hamwe na mbeca kuma ruhonge rwa uteithania ruria rutongoretio kana ruria rutongoragio ni kana ruria ruikaine ta Swiss Solidarity. Gukiri uguo atongoria aya aria matafanĩtie igongona rĩrĩ ni maugĩte ati mekĩte o kumana na ũgarũrũku wa rĩera no rĩothiĩte na mbere na kũgũmĩra bũrũri na njĩra nene, makiuga atĩ mahiũ nĩmo mahutĩtio na njĩra nene kuna atĩ gĩcigo kĩu kĩũĩkaine makĩria harĩ gũkorwo na mahiũ. Rĩu nĩ manyitĩte mbaru rĩendekithia rĩa President William Ruto rĩa gũtigĩrĩra atĩ nginyanagia nĩ mahanda mĩtĩ nĩguo gũtigĩrĩra atĩ nĩ twahũrana kana twĩta bũrũri nĩ twahũrana na thĩna wa ũcenjia wa rĩera mĩaka ĩgũka.
Sasa nasema wakipatia wakati tunakuwa ukali. Sawa. Amefereji dawa zao.
So by show you giving by show you
man tanjeran kafulan fulan jajjabu abuna basen fulan jajjabu fulan ana jiru galati anka guddan galati san wato chitankan waqti jabdu waqti kamale jajjabu.
The level at which our people are affected.
Jirajukti bakka gaadis kana sagale midhaan horii nyaatuuf wanni beessee karaa dansaa haa qulqulluumisiin kaammallee isiin lillaayii din taate arma kan geet arna gaan arma ijjatanii dhabu qoratte.
Let me ask again so that you also confirm.
Kumin kure tokko
Ukiunganisha moja sio ni pesa nyingi sana. Ni kweli?
You consider increasing this household from 200 to 1,000. With those few remarks, let me say you are welcome to Marti.
Namale namiri bilang guminga dismi juan calla namari ni galat Senegal jadi kayo suni.
You are welcome to Malkagala.
Ya ada Malkagala tardahesani.
People of Malkagala are very friendly.
Wari Malkagala